So I'm in Alton, Illinois, barge pushing upriver on the Mississippi. This is the Piasa Park. And when I was a little kid, this used to scare the shit out of me. I think my dad drove me up here on purpose. But it's supposed to be this mythical beast that like Father or Père Marquette found when he came here. And the original one was supposed to be some of the oldest like cave art in the United States, but and you can look it up on Wiki, there's a ton. But he would drive up here, and until I was about 7 or 8, I would hide in the back seat, and he'd bring us up here to see the trains. I think it's BNSF now running up this side, but we'd come to the Alton Lock and Dam, and anyway, just part of the travel log. These limestone bluffs along the Mississippi all the way up. That's the Clark Bridge, which I don't think existed when I was a little kid living over here.